Continued video inspection for 3535 East Warren Avenue, Denver, Colorado. This time we are outside in the backyard in the new excavation for their brand new swimming pool that's going in. They had found a 4-inch PVC drain line that is sloped away from the house, which is back behind me, out towards the neighbor's property and eventually to the alleyway, I believe. So we're just figuring out what this one is. Debris in there. Definitely dry. Stormwater.
Stormwater.
Got my little. See that? Probably 52 feet straight back to where? Okay. My bet is that they had a stormwater drain right in here at one point in time, because I'm dead end. I'm hitting dead end. So it's inactive now.
It's got to be the old one.
Yeah, if you want to come look at the video.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it's dry out back there too?
Yeah. It's dry all the way.
Okay, so what you saw here
There was residual moisture.
Okay.
Nothing to be. But I'm going to camera out too.
Okay.
Because it sounds like there's something in there. What is? Oh, that's landscape fabric. Yeah, that's what that is. Come look at this. So where they brought the landscaping fabric down, that's what that is. It is a roll of landscaping fabric. So that's
How
dry.
far is that, you know?
That is 44 and a half feet from right here. So about where that drain is that you guys had tied yours into.
So there's a roll of landscape fabric?
It's probably been put in there as a filter to keep dirt and debris and stuff out of it as much. With it being storm drain, leaves and dirt and debris and pebbles and anything the birds and squirrels drop on your roof end up in there. And over time that stuff blocks the line. So they put, at a relatively deep spot, it looks like they put a screen of landscape fabric in to keep that stuff out.
Okay, so does that mean the pipe is running to the pipe?
Yeah.
There's a hole?
Yeah. Where they brought another section of pipe into it.
Okay, so that is inactive as well?
It looks like it's dry. I mean, my cable, yeah, I'm coming back dry. Let's see where this goes. Yeah. Now I'm 100 foot out and have not found anything. It's solid PVC pipe the whole way.
100 feet from where you are?
From right where I am right now. 110.
And dry the whole way?
From what I can tell it is. Oh, there's water in there. But I have no clue what this is for because it doesn't even smell like sewer. I think this might just be an abandoned line.
Okay, but you said you're hitting some water?
Well, I mean, it's just a little bit of residual water. There's no waste or anything in it. And it's not like it's flowing water. It's just a couple of spots that it's standing.
Okay, but that could be standing for...
It could be standing for days. It could be standing for months.
Okay, so could it be standing for 20 years like that?
Probably not, but condensation in the line could.
I mean, how much, would you say, how much water would you see? Just a little bit?
Just a puddle about that deep, maybe that long.
Okay, and from the house to here was dry as a bone.
Yeah.
And the little bit of moisture I saw when, right at the entrance point, was that just when you dig in? And
I think so. But I'm 135 feet out, and it's still empty pipe.
okay. They could be tying into it as well, right? It's favored.
They could. Yeah, I'm 140 out right now. And I got some roots. Stay put. Yeah, I don't know what this pipe is.
Okay.
So, 140 feet. I'm seeing a little bit of root right there.
Okay. So maybe you should put in some water just
Yeah.
in the house, see what happens?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd turn on maybe kitchen and master. Not so far, but it takes it a few to
Okay.
get water that far out. What'd you turn on?
kitchen and master.
Yeah, right in there.
Is it possible to put it 2 feet off somewhere?
It's possible, but my camera, it really doesn't make T-turns. It follows the pipe.
Okay,
And I didn't see any left or right, only a vertical.
got it. But,
Yeah.
a week ago, would you have noticed?
Yeah. It would be, I think it would be a little bit moister than this. Okay, so we do have a tie-in. So it is teeing at 60. It's 65 feet from right here. It ties into another line.
Towards the neighbor's house.
Yeah, well, that direction.
And where did you start seeing standing water?
Well after that.
Okay, so that's the water.
I think it's actually, I think I was in the city sewer.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a tap. So, but this line here, bone dry. Yeah, from here out to 65 feet is bone dry. And at 65 feet, it's dropping into a sewer line. Like a city storm line, maybe? I'm not seeing any waste in there, so I'm thinking it's storm water.
Okay, so from the first 65 feet,
Yeah.
from where you lie all the way up here.
Yep.
And you've got water running over.
Yep.
Is that enough time to
Oh yeah, it should have already been passing me.